Good morning to all my friends and families, my teachers. My name is Aditya. I am studying in 3M. Today we going to see a different prayer. Okay, let's go on the prayer. Thank you. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodani Nandatunal Girivara Vinyasirogini Vasini Vishnu Vinasani Vishnu Nute. Thank you. I am Geeta from 9A. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sadasvana